How to Jump Higher, your step-by-step guide to jump higher. Written by HowExpert Press. Narrated by Matthias Job Gombusch. Step 1. Improve your overall fitness. One key factor in how high you can jump is your weight. By taking steps to improve your overall fitness, you'll lose weight, and consequently, you'll be able to jump higher. There are two key factors in improving your overall fitness: diet and exercise. By making a few simple changes to both your diet and your exercise routine, you can work your way down to your ideal weight and increase your jumping height. Start by adjusting your diet. Try to cut out any junk food that might still be a part of your diet, and cut down on carbs and fatty foods. Even just cutting down the size of the portions you eat at each meal can have a dramatic impact on your weight over time. You might be surprised at just how much weight you can lose just by making a few simple tweaks to your diet. If you're looking for something a little more regiment, there are a number of structured diets available to you. Just search the internet for a diet that suits your needs and start shedding the pounds. There are two ways to start a new diet. You can either jump right into it, or you can ease your way in. If you want to jump straight into your diet, start by getting rid of all the food in your house that doesn't fit your new diet. Then, take a trip to the grocery store and buy some new groceries that fit with your new diet. Easing into your new diet works a little different. Start by making small changes to the portions you eat and the type of foods you include in each meal. If you make a small change each week, after a while, your diet will be going strong. The other essential component in weight loss is exercise. If you're already on an exercise regime, you can make some significant progress with your weight loss by adding a little extra cardio to your workout schedule. Try running for a half hour, 4 times a week, in addition to your existing workout schedule. You'll be surprised at the difference it makes. How to improve your overall fitness. Get in better shape. The more physically fit you are, the higher you will be able to jump without the extra weight. Improve your diet through eating more vegetables and fruit and cutting junk food to the bare minimum. Step up your exercise routine. Jumping and power lower body movements should be your focus.